For the past 250 years, we may have been called a lot of things. The Hornet's Nest, Banktown, Crown Town, City of Churches, NASCAR Valley, and we can't forget the Queen City. We own who we are, but we know we are so much more. A mecca for foodies, with culinary creatives leaving you begging for another bite. A city overflowing with talent on stages and craft beer. A natural haven for thrill seekers, waiting to explore what's around the next corner. It's no wonder 28.3 million visitors want to play here, supporting a $7 billion visitor economy, more than 136,000 hospitality and leisure jobs, and saving Mecklenburg County residents $360 in taxes every year. How did we get to this level of greatness? Your warm welcome, your hospitality, your talent, your charm. You are the heart and soul of this city. A tapestry of people from all walks of life, defining our destination. Call us what you want. We're building on our past and excited about our future. Because together, we make this city, Charlotte,